You're putting a lot of pressure on yourself to save or grow your money, and you don't understand how someone making as much money as you can feel as behind as you do. And you find yourself playing this seesaw game of feeling motivated, then falling off, or pushing yourself really hard for a month or two to just completely giving up. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 key differences between families who create a repeatable money system to those who just get stuck in that motivation burnout cycle. So let's just jump right into the first one. You probably have someone in your friend group or your family who you know you're smarter than, but you found out recently that they actually are more successful than you. This could mean having way more in savings, being debt-free, or not concerned about how much money is in their retirement because they have so many. And you ask yourself, how is this possible? They are a moron. Well, they figured out a way to create a money system that works for their life. Money systems are just a collection of small habits to help us reach financial goals. Creating a money system isn't really about having intelligence or willpower because, especially the willpower, just kind of fades away over time. But just like how everyone's chasing the compound effect with their money, there's actually a compounding effect with your habits involving your money too. So the next time you're sitting with that dumber friend or that family member that you know you're smarter than, right? Just ask them, be a little humble and say, hey, how long have you been thinking about your money system? And I'm pretty sure their answer will surprise you. They've been at it longer than you think. Which brings me to the second point. Think about all the things that you love to do in your life, the things that you wake up and you're like, man, I can't wait to do this thing. It could be reading or exercising or even working. All of those things feels like chores to other people, but you'd happily do them every single day. So for me, I love waking up early before my 2 kids wake up so I can get an exercise in, get a sweat first thing in the morning, and it's kind of my me time and it's really a non-negotiable for me. But of course, there's people that know they should be working out but keep hitting the snooze button over and over and over again, and then by the time they actually decide to get up, it's, oh shoot, it's time to go to work. Shucks, maybe I'll just try again tomorrow. The reason why money feels so hard right now is because it's a discipline you need to force in. It's a chore. It's not something you've created to enjoy. We need discipline in our life for things that are hard or we don't really want to do, but the habits that we've built that we like, they just feel like a breeze to do. It's so easy, which ties perfectly to the next item on the list here, something that I asked my personal finance community, over 300 members. For me, the opposite of discipline is fun. And again, the reason why your money system isn't up and running is because it's a habit, it's a discipline, it's a thing that you're trying to force, but you're not making it easy on yourself, which of course is making it harder. So these are some of the questions that I asked them. Would money feel easier if progress was visible every month? Would money feel easier if there was a reward after doing it? How can we create the fun from doing the inputs every day of showing up, tracking our money, aligning it to the things that matter most, and not tie the fun to the outcomes we've achieved, like the amount of money we have in an account, for example? We are so quick to just want the outcome, the money, right? And I totally get that, but we need to keep trying to get better, doing things every day or every week, every month to try to improve our process, because at the end of the day, having a money system is a skill, and a skill is something that we can learn over time. If we stick to it long enough, it would be almost impossible to fail on a long enough time horizon. So here are some of the responses from the community. A business owner said, business is hard, fun things are easy. He was on a journey himself to make business a little more fun, and you can tie this into your money. Or someone else who said she was comfortable where she has gotten to and is ready to take the next step, and she's kind of gamifying the process here. Or someone else who made savings into a game she can win. Every Thursday, she started saving the dollars equaled to the day of the month. So on the 9th of the month, she'd save $9, and on the 30th of the month, she'd save $30. This is the kind of fun that I'm talking about, and it doesn't mean you're going to be rich tomorrow. It's just like, how do I start the process, or how do I keep the process going so that I can win? Which brings me to number 4, and there are so many reasons why money systems aren't built or aren't improved, because I've talked to dozens and dozens and dozens of people regarding their personal finances, and these were like the top 6 things. So let's go through them really quickly. I'd love to let you know, if you've made it to this far in the video, which one of these do you think you are? Let me know down in the comments. So first, you're not sure of where to start. You've felt shame or judgment of past decisions. You're feeling comfortable where you're at and don't see the value in going to the next step. Life getting in the way, and ultimately finances are not a main priority for you. Have stopped and started a lot because the results have not really been there yet. You think you're past the point of being able to fix it and have given up completely. Those are the 6 mindsets, I would say, that I've seen. So let me know which one are you. Now, every single one of these 6 has a solution, and I try to cover all of them in the personal finance community. So the link is down below this video if you're interested in starting or improving your own money system. If not, I've actually got the full operating system here on YouTube. You can check it out right here.